सो गाइस क्या आप भी सोच रहे हैं प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर इंग्लिश ग्रामर के अंदर में जो कि पैसिव पार्ट है उसके अंदर से कौन से एमसीक्यू आपके 2026 के बोर्ड एग्जाम इंग्लिश के अंदर में देखने मिलने वाला है। ठीक है, तो हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल CHSE आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स। बाय द वे गाइस, मेरा नाम रोहित साहू है और आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल के अंदर में। तो गाइस इस वीडियो के अंदर में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर इंग्लिश ग्रामर का द पैसिव कम एमसीक्यू जो कि फॉर इंग्लिश बोर्ड एग्जाम 2026 के लिए आपके मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे। दोस्तों आपको वीडियो को शुरुआत से लेकर एंड तक बने रहते हो। तो गाइस इस बार के जो 26 एग्जाम के अंदर मैं आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस करूंगा किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, प्रोबेबल है, और क्या पता इस वीडियो के अंदर में जो मैं क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया वही क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम पेपर में देखने मिल जाए और आप उसको सही से आंसर करेक्ट कर पाओ। तो गाइस वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन कॉल पे सेट कर दो ताकि आने वाले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सके। तो गाइस बिना किसी डिले का अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। गाइस यहाँ पे आप लोग सबसे पहले डिस्कस करेंगे इफ वी गेट आंसर द क्वेश्चन इन पैसिव यूजिंग द वर्ब गिवन इन ब्रैकेट द आंसर विल बी। तो गाइस कुछ इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आपको अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछता है तो एमसीक्यू टाइप में, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द पीपल से he resigned his job but he did not seek। गाइस ये जो सेक वर्ड है अगर हम पैसिव वॉइस के अंदर में चेंज करें तो इस सेक वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा। ऑप्शन ए गाइस he is sacked, ऑप्शन बी गाइस he was sacked, ऑप्शन सी गाइस he has been sacked, ऑप्शन डी गाइस he was being sacked। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है गाइस ऑप्शन बी he was sacked। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है गाइस he did not leave the examination hall, asked to leave। तो गाइस ये जो वर्ब है asked to leave, इसका पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करें तो क्या होगा। ऑप्शन ए देख लो he is asked to leave, ऑप्शन बी गाइस he was asked to leave, ऑप्शन सी गाइस he has been asked to leave, ऑप्शन डी गाइस he has been asked to leave। द करेक्ट आंसर गाइस ऑप्शन बी he was asked to leave। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 गाइस the shop did not open, closed down। Option A guys it had closed down, option B guys it had been closed down, option C guys it closed down, option D guys it was closed down। इसका correct answer guys option D it was closed down। Question number 4 guys he did not come out of water, drowned। इसका option A guys he was drawn, option B guys he was being drawn, option C guys he had been drawn, option D guys he had been drowned। इसका correct answer guys option A he was drowned। Question number 5 guys he did not do his homework yesterday, punish। इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस he has been punished, ऑप्शन बी गाइस he was punished, ऑप्शन सी गाइस he is punished, ऑप्शन डी गाइस he was being punished। द करेक्ट आंसर है गाइस ऑप्शन बी he was punished। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है गाइस my request was not entertained, turned down। ऑप्शन ए गाइस it was turned down, ऑप्शन बी गाइस it is turned down, ऑप्शन सी गाइस it has been turned down, ऑप्शन डी गाइस it has been turned down। द करेक्ट आंसर है गाइस ऑप्शन ए it was turned down। Question number 7 guys the doctor did not came in time, people wait for him a lot। तो guys इसका ऑप्शन ए guys they are keep waiting for him, ऑप्शन बी guys they were keep waiting for him, ऑप्शन सी guys they were being kept waiting for him, ऑप्शन डी guys they are kept waiting for him। इसका करेक्ट आंसर guys ऑप्शन बी they were kept waiting for him। तो गाइस कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपके पैसिव वॉइस के अंदर में पूछ सकते हैं। तो इसका एक सेकंड पार्ट ये भी है स्टडिंग द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन इफ वी राइट ए पैसिव सेंटेंस फॉर ईच ऑफ देम द आंसर विल बी। इसका क्वेश्चन 8 है गाइस इफ यू वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट द प्राइज योर फ्रेंड मोहन वॉन यू वुड also like to mention your friend name। तो इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस द प्राइज हैज बीन वॉन बाय मोहन, ऑप्शन बी गाइस द प्राइज हैज बीन वॉन बाय मोहन, ऑप्शन सी गाइस द प्राइज वॉन बाय मोहन, ऑप्शन डी गाइस द प्राइज इज बीइंग वॉन बाय मोहन। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर गाइस ऑप्शन बी द प्राइज हैज बीन वॉन बाय मोहन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 guys you have seen one of your friend breaking a chair, you have to report the matter to the class teacher without disclosing your friend's name। इसका ऑप्शन ए guys a chair has been broken, ऑप्शन बी guys a chair had been broken, ऑप्शन सी guys a chair is broken, ऑप्शन डी guys a chair was broken। the correct answer guys option A chair has been broken। Question number 10 guys your teacher asks you to write an essay in a week time, you are not sure of yourself, you have to tell your teacher that you will finish it in time but you did not want to take a risk। इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस an essay will be written in week time, ऑप्शन बी गाइस an essay is being written in week time, ऑप्शन सी गाइस an essay can be written in week time, ऑप्शन डी गाइस an essay could be written in a week time। इसका करेक्ट आंसर गाइस ऑप्शन सी an essay can be written in a week time। Question number 11 guys you want to talk about the delicious cakes your villager make during the Raza festival every year, you are at this moment not interested in the villagers. इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस, द डिलीशियस केक्स आर मेड ड्यूरिंग द रजा फेस्टिवल एवरी ईयर. ऑप्शन बी गाइस, द डिलीशियस केक विल बी मेड ड्यूरिंग द रजा फेस्टिवल एवरी ईयर. ऑप्शन सी गाइस, द डिलीशियस केक हैव बीन मेड ड्यूरिंग द रजा फेस्टिवल एवरी ईयर. ऑप्शन डी गाइस, द डिलीशियस केक आर बीइंग मेड ड्यूरिंग द रजा फेस्टिवल. द करेक्ट आंसर है गाइस ऑप्शन ए, द डिलीशियस केक्स आर मेड ड्यूरिंग द रजा फेस्टिवल एवरी ईयर. Number 12 guys, you don't know who created the earth long ago. You want to talk about this creation. Option A guys, the earth had to be created long ago. Option B guys, the earth was to be created long ago. Option C guys, the earth was created long ago. Option D guys, the earth has been created long ago. So correct answer guys, option C, the earth was created long ago. Question number 13 guys, you want to tell your best friend that your other friend will celebrate his birthday this year. You do not say who they are. Option A guys, your birthday is celebrated. Option B guys, your birthday is being celebrated. Option C guys, your birthday will be celebrated. Option D guys, your birthday is to be celebrated. So correct answer guys option C, your birthday will be celebrated. पैसिव वॉइस के अंदर में ही कुछ और डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स देख लेते हैं. चूज एप्रोप्रिएट पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब गिवन इन ब्रैकेट. इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है गाइस, चीज इसका ब्रैकेट में दिया गया इज मेक फ्रॉम मिल्क. इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस, हैज बीन मेड, इज मेड. Option C guys, was made. Option D guys, is being made. It's a correct answer guys, option B, is made. Question number 15 guys, originally this novel write in Hindi but it translate into Odia in 1990s. इसका ऑप्शन A guys, was written in इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस, was written, is translated. ऑप्शन बी गाइस, is written, was translated. ऑप्शन सी गाइस, was written, was translated. ऑप्शन डी गाइस, is written, is translated. So correct answer guys, option C, was written, was translated. Question number 16 है guys, the office is in mess, the telephone never answer, no proper record kept and no work do. इसका ऑप्शन A guys, is never answer, are kept is done. On B guys, was never answered, were kept was done. Option C guys, was never answered, are kept was done. Option D guys, has never been answered, have been kept, has been done. It's the correct answer guys, option A is never answered, are kept, it's done. Question number 17 guys, an accident occur here this afternoon but us nobody injured, the ambulance not required. इसका ऑप्शन A guys, was injured, is not required. ऑप्शन B guys, is injured, was not required. ऑप्शन C guys, was being injured, was not required. ऑप्शन D guys, was injured, was not required. It's the correct answer guys, option D, was injured, was not required. इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 गाइस, ए ट्री इज लाइंग अक्रॉस द रोड, इट्स ब्लो डाउन इन द स्टॉर्म. इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस, इज ब्लोन डाउन. ऑप्शन बी गाइस, वाज ब्लोन डाउन. ऑप्शन सी गाइस, हैज बीन ब्लोन डाउन. ऑप्शन डी गाइस, इज बीइंग ब्लोन डाउन. करेक्ट आंसर गाइस ऑप्शन बी, वाज फ्लोन डाउन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 गाइस, द लेटर पोस्ट ए वीक अगो एंड इट्स रीच्ड मी यस्टरडे. इसका ऑप्शन ए गाइस, हैज बीन posted. Option B guys, had been posted. Option C guys, was posted. Option D guys, posted. It's a correct answer guys, option C, was posted. Question number 20 guys, the child playing on the road run over by a truck. इसका ऑप्शन A guys, is run over. Option B guys, was run over. Option C guys, was run over. Option D guys, was being run over. It's a correct answer guys, option C, was run over. तो गाइज यहाँ पर इंस्ट्रक्शन इस प्रकार है, इफ वी चेंज द फ्लोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू द पैसिव द आंसर विल बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 है गाइज, यूज वन टी बैग टू मेक ईच कप ऑफ टी. इसका ऑप्शन है गाइज, वन टी बैग कैन बी यूज्ड टू मेक ईच कप ऑफ टी. इसका ऑप्शन बी गाइज, वन टी बैग इज बीइंग यूज्ड for making each cup of tea. Option C guys, one tea bag is used to make each cup of tea. Option D guys, one tea bag is being used for making each cup of tea. It's a correct answer guys, option C, one tea bag is used to make each cup of tea. Question number 22, place the required number of tea bag in the kettle. Option A guys, the required number of tea bag is placed in the kettle. Option B guys, the required number of tea bag are placed in the kettle. Option C guys, the required number of tea bag is being placed in kettle. Option D guys, the required number of tea bags are being placed in kettle. So correct answer guys, option A, the required number of tea bag is placed in the kettle. Question number 23 guys, add boiling water as per the requirement. It's option A guys, boiling water was added as requirement. Option B guys, boiling water is being added as per requirement. Option C guys, boiling water is added as per requirement. Option D guys, boiling water is adding. It's the correct answer guys, option C, boiling water is added as per requirement. Question number 24 guys, sir, the water what makes sure that the tea bag not open? The correct answer guys, option D, the water is stirred but it is made sure that the tea bag are not open. Question number 25 guys, allow the tea to stand for 5 minutes. इसका option A guys, the tea is allowed to stand for 5 minutes. Option B guys, the tea is allowed to be stood for 5 minutes. Option C guys, the tea is allowed to be standing for 5 minutes. Option D guys, the tea is to be allowed to stand for 5 minutes. The correct answer guys, option A, the tea is allowed to stand for 5 minutes. Question number 26 guys, pour the tea into cups. इसका option A guys, the tea is pouring into cups. Option B guys, the tea is poured into cups. Option C guys, the tea is being poured into cups. Option D guys, let the tea to be poured into cup. It's the correct answer guys, option B, the tea is poured into the cup. Question number 27 guys, add sugar and milk to taste. इसका option A guys, sugar and milk has been added to taste. Option B guys, sugar and milk have been added to taste. Option C guys, sugar and milk is added to taste. Option D guys, sugar and milk is added to taste. The correct answer guys, option D, sugar and milk are added to taste. दोस्तों हम ऑप्शन डिस्कस करेंगे तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, तो हम अभी क्या करने वाले हैं, हर क्वेश्चन का डायरेक्ट आंसर आपको मैं बताते जाऊंगा, करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है। आपको ऑप्शन खुद से देखने से क्या होगा, हम कम समय में ज्यादा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। यहाँ पर इंस्ट्रक्शन कुछ चेंज द वॉइस, जो कि आपको एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 है गाइस, यू मस्ट नॉट ईट सो मच। इसका करेक्ट आंसर गाइस, ऑप्शन सी, सो मच मस्ट नॉट बी ईटन। Question number 29, who was given the prize? Is the correct answer guys, option D, who did they give the prize? Question number 30 guys, he was asked several questions by the police. It's the correct answer guys, option C, the police asked him several questions. Question number 31 guys, I have painted this picture. It's the correct answer guys, option B, this picture has been painted by me. Question number 32, we elected him monitor. इसका correct answer guys, option C, he was elected monitor. Question number 33, you must not take such a big risk. It's the correct answer guys, option C, such a big risk must not be taken. Question number 34, who saved the bird? It's the correct answer guys, option A, by whom was the bird saved? Question number 35, people said that he was honest. It's the correct answer guys, option D, both A and B. Question number 36, I saw him cross the road. It's the correct answer guys, option D, he was seen to cross the road. Question 37 है guys, tell him to wait here. It's the correct answer guys, option C, tell him be told to wait here. Question number 38, there is no time to lose. It's the correct answer guys, option C, there is no time to be lost. Question number 39, they made him tell them everything. It's the correct answer guys, option A, he was made to tell them everything. Question number 40, someone has stolen my purse. It's the correct answer guys, option D, my purse has been stolen. Question number 41, you kept me waiting. It's the correct answer guys, option D, I was kept waiting. Question number 42, smoke filled the room. It's the correct answer guys, option B, the room was filled with smoke. Question number 43, his behavior surprised me. It's the correct answer guys, option D, both B and C. Question number 44, I know him. It's the correct answer guys, option C, he is known to me. Question number 45, we know that some foolish people damage the atmosphere. It's the correct answer guys, option D, both A and B. Question number 46, which of the following is wrong? It's the correct answer guys, option D, a pinch of salt were added with the liquid. Question number 47, which of the following sentence is are wrong? It's correct answer guys, option D, all of the above. Question number 48, which of the following sentence is different from other? It's the correct answer guys, option D, you are not to blame. Question number 49, which of the following sentence is are different from other? It's the correct answer guys, option D, there is a plate to be let. Question number 50 guys, the room needs cleaning, its passive is. The correct answer guys, option C, the room needs to be cleaned. Question number 51 guys, prepare for the worst, its passive is. The correct answer guys, option D, be prepared for the worst. Question number 52, announce the result, its passive is. Correct, इसका correct answer guys, option D, let the result be announced. Question number 53, cut his hair, its passive is. The correct answer guys, option D, both B and C. Question number 54, the people next door left the sleigh 6 months ago. They dash since then. Is the correct answer guys, option C, has not been seen. Question number 55, our headmaster can't use his office now. It's dash. So correct answer guys, option D, is being repaired. Question number 56, the blackboard look neat and clean. It's dash by the monitor. It's the correct answer guys, option C, has been wiped. Question number 57, this temple dash in the 19th century. इसका correct answer guys, option C, was built. Question number 58, if you have a wand, you dash to wash it clean. The correct answer guys, option B, are advised. Question number 59. Lois posture proved that disease dash by jumps. The correct answer guys option C are caused. Question number 60. The sun flashes dash regularly. The correct answer guys option D should be watered. Question number 61. How did that doll go dash question mark? The correct answer guys option B get broken. Question number 62. When dash this road built? The correct answer guys option D was. Question number 63 guys, badminton dash here every afternoon. The correct answer guys option A is played. Question number 64, I saw him climbing the ladder. Its passive is. The correct answer guys option A, he was seen climbing the ladder. Question number 65, people say that he was an honest officer. Its passive is. The correct answer guys option D, both A and C. Question number 66, what can't dash must dash. The correct answer guys option D, be cured and be endured. Question number 67, I like dash alone. The correct answer guys option B, being left. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने डिस्कस किया प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर इंग्लिश का गाइस द पैसिव का एमसीक्यू जो कि बोर्ड एग्जाम 2026 के लिए मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है। ठीक है, तो आई गाइस आपको वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट में दोस्तों बताने कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा और साथ ही में इस वीडियो को ज्यादा तो शेयर करना ताकि उनका भी इस बार के बोर्ड एग्जाम में हेल्प हो सके। ठीक है, तो इसी तरह मिलते किसी और वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।